This is the absolute craziest thing I've ever done. What if you let strangers control your life for the next 24 hours? Well, today I thought I would do just that. Whatever the vote is by the end of the 5 minutes is what I'll end up doing. I will be letting go and having no decision where I end up or what I will be doing. Bro, this has to be the craziest thing I've ever done. Yo, what's up guys? So I'm literally outside of Disney World as we speak, but here is the first poll for you guys. This is outfit number 1. And this is outfit number 2. I'll get back to you guys in about 5 to 10 minutes and we're gonna see what else after that. Appreciate it guys, let's get into this challenge, baby. Ow! So this is the outfit that y'all picked, first of all, and second of all, this is the next poll. So for the next 10 minutes, I'm going to be looking, it's either go all around Orlando, I've never been here before, or if I have, it's been so long that I don't remember. And the second one is going to see freaking alligators, guys. In the Everglades, I'm petrified of alligators. We gotta see what y'all pick and appreciate y'all voting. Let's go. My heart is literally pumping through my chest right now. So everybody picked, over 100% picked the dang Everglades. It doesn't sit right to me that an alligator is gonna be arm lengths away, first of all. Second of all, since everything is such fast pace, I had to get these tickets and only 5 minutes to spare. I'm gonna be getting there by 11:25 and the boat takes off by 11:30. This is scary, man. I'll see y'all there, and I guess we're conquering fears today, baby. Okay, we made it. I got the off spray. We got 2 minutes. All right, let's go. This is the absolute craziest thing I've ever done. Jesus Christ. Dog, this is crazy. Thank you so much. Oh, yeah. That is crazy. Yes, sir. Bro, I'm on my tourism stuff. I never thought I would have held an alligator. I'm petrified of alligators and snakes. And I just crossed some on my bucket list that I've been wanting to get for so long. Am I gonna eat some alligator or should I go to the beach next? We just gotta see, and I'll see y'all soon. 68% of y'all said go to the beach. That's what I'm about to do right now. I got these retro shorts. I think they were made in the 90s. Beach, here we come, baby. Oh, and this is the outfit that y'all picked. This is where I'm eating right here. It's called Coconuts on the Beach. It's top notch. And here's the beach. Number 1, and this is number 2. I'm hoping that people pick the number 2 because 1800 tequila, coconut tequila sounds crazy, but the view is insane. Literally a couple margaritas down, I'm living my best life, and so I took off my shoes, and now it's time to get in the water, baby, and enjoy this. It's literally been one of the best days of my life, no cap. And I appreciate you guys for voting. 24 hours ago, I would have never known that I would have ended up in Florida. But after hundreds of miles being traveled, memories being made, and alligators not chewing our bones up, I knew that this was the best decision. I was so blown away by how engaged you guys were on this crazy adventure. There's nothing that I enjoy more than meeting new people on the same output on life. Thank you all to everybody that participated. And who knows, maybe next time I'll be in a city near you. Remember to follow us on Instagram. And as always, stay fearless.